Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to set a reminder to take a break on Threads. Maybe you find yourself spending too much time on the application and now you want to limit the usage of the application by resting after a certain period of time. So today I'm going to show you how to set a reminder to take a break on Threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Threads application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. In the top right corner, you will see this two lines icon. Simply tap on it to access the settings page. Within settings, look for the account option and tap on it. In this page, you can now see this take a break option. Simply tap on it. Here, you can schedule a reminder to take a break when you spend a certain amount of time on this application. You can choose between every 10 minutes, every 20 minutes, every 30 minutes, or never. For example, I will choose every 20 minutes. After that, you now have successfully set a reminder to take breaks while using Threads. Now, during your chosen intervals, the app will remind you to take a break, relax, and recharge. There you go. If you wanted to know how to set reminder to take a break on Threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to set a reminder to take a break on Threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.